I've tried thousands of indicators throughout my trading journey, from helpful to terrible, from easy to follow to downright confusing. My goal was simple. I wanted to find an indicator that would fit all my needs, from complex price action analysis to clear buy and sell signals with profitable money management. However, I could not find such a tool despite my diligent search. So I reached out to some of the best developers in the world to help me put together my dream indicator. After weeks of hard work, the tool was finally ready. So today, I'm introducing something that I believe to be the best indicator on the TradingView platform, the TradeIQ Toolkit. This script has everything I've ever wanted. I'm talking about precision-engineered buy and sell signals, multi-time frame supply and demand levels, trend lines that actually show you the breaks, and so much more. Sounds too advanced, doesn't it? Don't worry, you don't have to be an advanced trader to use this indicator. In this simple-to-follow tutorial, I'll walk you through this amazing technical analysis tool, as well as show you strategies with it that will completely transform your trading game. Right away, I must mention that the TradeIQ Toolkit is a private script. It comes in a package together with premium chart prime indicators like Prime Oscillator Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Market Oracle Pro. Once you've activated your subscription, the TradeIQ indicator will appear in the invite-only scripts. The TradeIQ Toolkit indicator is a comprehensive tool designed for traders looking to enhance their market analysis and decision-making process. The indicator comes with easy-to-read long and short signals. This feature provides clear entry alerts for buying or selling. Each signal comes with designated stop-loss levels to manage risk and take profit targets to maximize gains. This makes the trading process a lot faster and easier since you can see the entry, stop-loss, and profit target prices. You can enable or disable these buy and sell signals in the indicator's inputs. There's also an option to choose how often you want to trade. To increase signal accuracy, you can enable a signal filter. Here, you can also set the risk-to-reward ratio. This number affects how far take-profit targets are from the entry price. The trade range multiplier influences how far you expect the trade to go. A higher value is set if you expect larger price movements. The next crucial feature of this indicator is multi-time frame supply and demand levels. TradeIQ indicator analyzes supply and demand levels across multiple time frames, offering a broad view of market trends and potential reversal points. This multi-dimensional analysis helps traders understand the larger market context and make more strategically aligned trades. The levels can be enabled in the inputs at the very top. Here, you can choose the level's time frame and quantity. If you trade in short time frames, it is recommended to use levels from higher time frames. For example, I'm currently viewing the Bitcoin price on the 15-minute chart. Instead of using 15-minute supply and demand levels, I'll use 1-hour ones. These levels are basically prices at which market participants show high interest in buying or selling the security. So a logical strategy would be to buy if the current price is near demand and sell when the price is near supply. In practice, a long setup would look like this. First, the price finds support at the demand level. Second, the indicator generates a buy signal. When the price reaches the first TP, the stop loss is adjusted to break even. Part of the position can be taken off every time the price reaches a new TP target. The next feature TradeIQ Toolkit offers is improved trend lines. The indicator includes dynamic trendline analysis, identifying critical trend lines and noting when they break. These breaks can signal significant market movements, providing traders with timely information to adjust their strategies. You can select different types of trend lines: predictive, two-touch, and two-touch with breaks. The indicator assigns a number to each trend line. The higher the value, the greater the angle. For example, a breakout signal is typically stronger if the price breaks above or below a trend line with a steeper slope. This is due to the fact that the price is overextended and is about to correct. Trendline breakout signals work best with supply and demand levels or order blocks. By the way, the TradeIQ Toolkit also has multi-time frame order blocks with volume inside each block. This feature focuses on the volume of trades in certain market areas across multiple time frames. Volumetric order blocks highlight where significant trading activity has occurred, indicating potential support and resistance levels. This insight is vital for understanding market momentum and potential price movement directions. Volumetric order blocks show the proportion of buy against sell orders at a specific price with a total traded volume. A trade entry can be initiated at the retest of such an order block. If you think these are all the features of this indicator, I have a surprise for you. The next component is something you've never seen before. Introducing ghost order blocks, a unique feature that projects potential future support and resistance levels. These are based on past market data and trading patterns, giving you a forward-looking tool to anticipate market movements and plan accordingly. These order blocks can be used as an extra layer of protection from losing trades. They're also an excellent reference for taking profit targets. Ghost order blocks have timers. Based on them, you can estimate the price reaching them within a specific time. This could be a great feature for option traders. Last but not least feature of the TradingView toolkit is a multi-time frame market bias dashboard. The market bias dashboard provides an overview of market momentum across various time frames. This broader view helps you align your trades with the overall market trend, increasing the likelihood of successful trades. Each time frame has its momentum score. High numbers correspond to a positive or bullish trend. Low numbers correspond to a negative or bearish trend. By checking the momentum on higher time frames, you can ensure no trades are taken against the prevailing sentiment. For example, if at the time a long signal is given, the momentum on higher time frames is negative, it is advised to skip such a signal. On the other hand, if the momentum is positive at the time a buy alert is received, the price is more likely to move in your direction. For a better visual understanding of market sentiment, the indicator also colors candle bars. In an uptrend or bullish market, the candle bars are typically colored green to indicate positive momentum. Conversely, in a downtrend or bearish market, the candle bars are colored red to indicate negative momentum. In a ranging market, the bars are usually violet. This color scheme helps you quickly assess the overall market trend. The TradingView Toolkit indicator is designed to provide you with a comprehensive suite of tools for in-depth market analysis, including time-tested indicators like Trendlines and innovative features like ghost order blocks.